The Audi RS4, one of Audi's most iconic performance cars, a respected modern day classic. Guys, my name is Mohammed from Glossworx, and today I'm going to show you guys all the work we did on this beast. A 4.2 liter beast in sprint blue. This color, it's an amazing color. When you just look at the color itself, it's so good. It's so everything, brings out everything on the car itself. The shine, the glitter, the glimmer, the metallic in it itself. Everything looks so good just on this color itself. And if it's painted correctly, you'll see what I'm speaking about. And the texture is good. Everything is flowing good on this car. So what exactly did we do on this car? Complete blowover, which we call our respray, taking down to metal, making sure we fixed up all the panels, and then finally putting the paint on top of the car itself. And when you see the paint right now, it actually looks good. For me, this is what a paint job should look like, and it's worth spending on a paint job that actually looks like this. And just to bring this car back, it's amazing because this is the type of car, when you look at it, there's just so much it has to offer. It's a car that Audi produced, and I think everyone in my era wanted to own this car, because not just because of the V8 motor or the performance of 306 or 309 kilowatts, but just because of its look and the way the car sounded, that V8. And when you sat in this car, you knew it meant serious business. Sprint blue, when you're looking at the color and you're seeing all of the different trim on this car itself, and the mags in the sparkling silver with the sparkling silver mirror caps and the sparkling silver grille, everything just comes together because of this color. It highlights everything, and that just looks so amazing, because in this day and age everyone is going towards that black wheels and a whole lot of different customized wheels with the diamond cut, and this just to me looks like classical, because it just brings out the size of the wheel when you look at that alloy finish. And I like that. I think I like that a lot, because bringing this car back to its originality is one thing, but when an original car looks this good, it just makes you feel good to actually just want to spray it and get it to actually looking better than the original factory paint. And to me, this paint actually looks good from a detailing perspective, because you can actually see so much rewards in this itself, because it's not thick, it's layered correctly, the orange peel texture is looking good, the shine is enhanced, so everything looks good on this paint. I think it's one of the things, or one of the colors in this range that actually was the best, and if I'm not mistaken, it was actually the launch color. So this color is really rewarding. I think it's beautiful, and I think the trim actually fills every part of this. It just, the whole package looks amazing. So I think it's one thing to paint a car, it's one thing to wanting to restore a car, but I think the most important thing is to get the panels aligned and to get everything to fit and look so good. With this car, I think everything went well. Usually we have challenges with cars, but with this particular car, it's been very nice to us. Everything actually worked out, and when I'm looking at this car, there's so many things and so many details I'm looking at right now and pointing out to you guys. And the one thing is the panel fitment, which looks perfect to me. The paint and the shine, which is amazing. The wheel, the way it's fitted onto the car. And also all the trim around the car that's fitted perfectly onto the car. And the badges, is another thing that looks amazing. So guys, that's one thing I think when you're opting for a respray on any car. It's the first thing I know most of you guys out there, when you're thinking respray and stripping a car to a certain level, it makes you guys scared. And that, I think that's a normal reaction. But if it's done correctly, the panels are fitted right onto the car in the right way it's supposed to be fitted, it only can look as stunning as this. And this looks amazing. So that was the first thing we've done on this car, was the respray, which is the very important part to actually cosmetically making a car look beautiful or to restoring it. So that makes this car, or it brings out this car a lot. The other thing is the interior. That restoration phase to try and keep that originality. So we do that whole dyeing process on the seats using the right equipment or using the right product. That makes a huge difference. I'm sure you guys can see everything inside. It looks good. It still looks original, and you're trying to get that original to look as good as possible. And then the one most important thing we always say we offer on these packages, and that would be that Alcantara hood lining, which makes this car look really, really nice. I'm sure you guys can see that now in the camera, and that just brings out that whole interior that makes it look stunning. Then the next part is the mechanical part, and that's now become a very important part, because like you say, you can have the best car, you can have the best looking classic, cosmetically can be looking beautiful, but the driving of the car needs to feel that good as well. So on the engine side of this car, especially on these cars, because they're older cars, you have to do the entire suspension. So we've done upper control arms, lower control arms, all the bushes. We went with the shocks. We've done all the shocks all around the car. And the other thing is the service. And I think that there made this car really, really amazing, because now when you take this car out for a drive, it feels modern, it feels good, handling feels good, and cosmetically it looks beautiful as it looks right now. Guys, once again, thank you for watching this video. Please guys, click on that like and subscribe, and we see you guys again.